What is good, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today I have a triple unboxing, and one of these boxes, I have no idea what's in it. So let's get started. The first box I'm going to open, this is from Sneaker Dunk, which is Japan's main sneaker reselling website. There is StockX here, but this is really the big one. And this is a pair of shoes that I just didn't notice that they happened. Back in October, there were 3 pairs of Dunks that dropped as a sort of anniversary with the NBA. And there was a Brooklyn pair that came out on Sneakers, which I saw and wasn't really interested in. The other 2 pairs, including this one, I just didn't notice. They must have been sold on other smaller shoe seller websites or, in boutique stores or something like that. But this is actually the Dunk Chicago colorway, and I really wanted to take a look at them and see what they were all about. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or not. I'm kind of wavering on that, but I wanted to see them in hand at least. Second box here, as you can see, is a New Balance box, and this is actually the first time I'm going to unbox a pair of New Balance shoes on the channel. And these were also not on my radar. This was a New Balance pair that I saw reviewed by Josh Dominic, or JD, on his YouTube channel, and I will link his channel in the description below so you can check that out. But when I saw the review, I was like, I really like those. And I saw a pair for sale on Yahoo Japan auctions, and I put in a super lowball bid. Basically, I was thinking, if I win, I get a really great price. If I don't win, it's no big deal. Went to bed, woke up the next morning, and my bid was the winner, so got him in hand. And finally, as a complete mystery, yesterday when I got home, on my porch there was a box from Adidas or Adidas. I don't know what's in here. I did put in some orders or some entries into draws on the Adidas Confirmed app, and I actually have some notifications on my phone right now that say better luck next time, but I never got a notification saying congratulations, and I checked my email and I didn't see any notes saying, oh, you got order confirmed for this. I know I could go on to the Confirmed app and check my order status, but I think it'd be more fun to actually open it up and be surprised on camera. So let's start with the Chicago Dunks. Red Nike box, size 10, which is either 9.5 or 10 is what I tend to wear. And legit check by Sneaker Dunk. We have the shoe. 75th anniversary on the tongue. The black, white, and red Chicago colorway. Oh, I didn't even realize that it had this silver lace holder at the bottom here with a little diamond on it. That's kind of cool. These are actually really pretty. And the black part of the color blocking has some tumbled leather look, including the swoosh on the side. These are actually better in hand than I thought, as tends to be the case when you actually get a pair of shoes in hand. I will admit, the color blocking overall could have been better. I'm not sure. I really dig the all red in the front and black in the back, aside from the Nike. But we shall see. We shall see. The jury's still out on this. I do like that they did black thread around the sole, so you've got the extra black in amidst the white and above the red of the sole itself. So that's kind of cool. Obviously, they went in on some pretty good details when it comes to this shoe. The Dunk Chicago colorway. Let me know in the comments if you think I should keep these, if these are worth keeping, or maybe holding on to and selling later because they might go up in value. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Next, New Balance, the first on the channel. Not only did I get a good deal on these, they're well below the retail price in terms of what I paid. No legit check on Yahoo Auctions Japan, but I'm not particularly worried about this particular pair of shoes. This is the Yurt, the Salehe Bembury collaboration with New Balance. Okay. fun details inside the box, fun details on the box in general. And inside we have this giant dad shoe, hiking shoe monstrosity. It's got really fuzzy suede. I'm just, the review that Josh Dominic did is way better than anything I could say about these, so go check out that video below. But yeah, these are cool, and I'm actually thinking I will try to use them for hiking. It's got, these massive wide soles, and sort of grippiness of the rubber on the bottom feels like it might be pretty good for traction on the trails. So these I'm gonna keep, and these I'm gonna use. I would demonstrate the whistle, but I think I'm gonna leave the little, I guess, the for sanitation purposes, the little tab that's on there in the way how it comes. Oh, and it does have Salehe Bembury name tag on the side here. So if a non-sneakerhead finds me like knocked out or half dead in the forest, they'll probably assume that I'm Salehe, and that's my name. Oh hey, this guy's name is Salehe. Are you okay? Are you okay? Alright. The moment we've all been waiting for, or at least the moment I've been waiting for. What's inside the mystery box? Adidas, what did you send me? What did you send me? Oh, okay, we have my ordered. Oh, I saw what the model is, but when I pull the box out, you'll probably know right away as well. We've got, you can tell, pretty small box compared to the normal shoe box sizes. The giant yurts, and then this from Adidas. Size 27.5, or what is a 9.5 US. All right. One of the weirdest shoes, and I did put my name into both of the foam runner drops that were happening on Adidas Confirmed, and I think this is the sand colorway, and the other one was the ochre. I'm not actually sure if I remember. Yeezy Foam Runner GY3969. It doesn't have a colorway written on the tag or inside the shoe or on the box, so I guess I'll have to look it up online. If you know what the colorway is, drop a comment below, let us all know. I'm not going to take the time to run and get my phone and put it on the video, but this is probably the craziest colorway of the foam runners that I've seen. It's not, first of all, it's definitely not monotonal like a number of them are, and it's, I don't know, I'm kind of getting Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer vibes from the pink on the front. But I think these are the sand colorway. What a weird shoe. I guess people really kind of thought they were silly. I guess people really thought they were silly and kind of stupid looking when they first came out, but apparently they grew on a lot of people, and I've seen a number of videos of people doing on feet and just saying how comfortable they are and how they definitely get looks. I have not seen a pair of these in the wild though in Japan. I have not seen anyone wearing these. But there is resale, so if I decide not to keep them, well, then I'll probably be able to make a little bit of money. Although, on who, I'm not sure, because like I said, I've never seen anyone actually wearing these in public here in Japan. Well, there you have it, triple pickup. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you would consider getting for yourself, and let me know, how did I do? Did I get some nice pickups this time around? And as it says on the side of the Salehe Bembury New Balance box, peace be the journey, and thank you very much for watching this particular video. Peace.